Hey guys! Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make your own wallpaper. First, you're going to start off by picking your favorite color. Your favorite color will be your background and the color genre for all your, the colors of your text and your backgrounds for your boxes and stuff. So you're going to start off by picking your favorite color. For me, I chose brown. Brown, as you can see, this is a lighter brown right here, and then there's all these other ones. And then you're gonna start by making 5 base boxes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 as the background, and 5 as this background. You are gonna do 3 of another type of favorite color, like for brown, like I did 3 different shades of brown for these 3, 1, 2, and 3. But for the other 2, you're just going to choose a plain color, like white, black, tan, any of those sort of genres, or gray. And then for, we're going to start off by putting one big rectangular box over here in this corner. Top corner, doesn't matter what corner, it could be bottom, this corner, or here. Then you're going to start by adding another box right here, and in that box, you are going to edit or layer over a picture of your favorite album cover. The back box will just stay blank, then you're going to add some text box. You're going to do the favorite song from that album. Let's say you like Lover from Taylor Swift and your favorite song happens to be Lover. So you're going to write Lover right here. The singer's name is Taylor Swift, so you're going to write Taylor Swift. Right here you can put a play button or just leave blank. These features like the heart, the airdrop, or any of these, which is the timestamps, are optional. Right here, you're going to put another color genre, like for another type of color and your favorite color. And you are going to put the name of the person who wrote your favorite quote, and down here you're gonna copy and paste the quote. Once that is done, you are gonna here. Okay. Sorry about that. You are gonna add 3 pictures, and you're going to place them on top of each other. As you can see behind this right here, just so you don't copy the pictures, we have one right here, here, and here. They don't have to be in black and white. And then do the same for here, but instead of friends, you're going to do family. On the sides of it, you can add the lyrics to the song that's up here, or another song, or song that you associate with those friends. Just on the edges of the boxes. And then right here is a space for photo dumps where you can layer picture over picture just for good memory. Once this is done, you are going to download the whole thing and you are going to upload it. That is all. Thank you. Bye.